A home service business can now be run almost entirely from a phone. Scheduling, invoicing, payments, dispatching, and customer follow-ups all happen inside one app. By the end of this, you'll know which apps are actually worth using in 2026, and which one fits your business best. If you want the short answer, the best app depends on what you need most. If you want simple job scheduling and invoicing, start with Jobber. If you want stronger customer communication and automation, look at HouseCallPro.a. If you run a bigger HVAC, plumbing, or electrical company, ServiceTitan is built for scale. Here's the breakdown. First, for solo operators and small teams. Jobber works well because the mobile app handles quoting, scheduling, invoices, and payment collection in one place. You can create a client, send an estimate, convert it into a job, and invoice it after completion without opening a laptop. That's fast. If you're running lawn care, cleaning, pressure washing, or handyman work, this is usually enough. Second, if customer communication is your bottleneck, HouseCall Pro adds stronger automation. It handles on-my-way texts, review requests, and recurring service reminders. That means less manual texting and fewer missed appointments. It's useful if your office spends too much time answering when will my tech arrive. Third, for bigger teams. ServiceTitan gives you dispatch boards, call tracking, technician scorecards, and deeper reporting. It's heavier to learn, but if you have multiple crews and office staff, it solves more operational problems. Now here's what a lot of people miss. You probably need support apps too. Use Google Calendar for personal scheduling backups. Use QuickBooks for accounting sync. Use Google Maps for route planning. Use Canva for quick marketing posts. That stack covers most of your daily work. So what's the best one? For simplicity, Jobber. For automation, HouseCall Pro.a. For scaling, ServiceTitan. Your next step is simple. Pick one app and run your next 5 jobs completely through your phone. That shows you fast where the gaps are. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more home service software breakdowns.